Hello guys, welcome to Samaliaki YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about this small concept of Woodward Fieser rules. This is the rules which is used to determine the conjugated wavelengths of absorption maximum. It is denoted by lambda maximum. Now we have the various types of double bonds which are found, which we have alicyclics, dienes, homoannual and heteroannual. This is alicyclic dienes. These alicyclics, we are talking about the open structures, but homoannual occur when the double bonds occur in the same rings, like this one. In here in A we have double bonds. In A also we have the double bonds which are occurring in the same rings, and the same apply to this B. But for the case of heteroannual conjugated double bonds, the double bonds occur in different rings. For example, here A and B, we have double bonds in each case. Also here, the same apply. This is exocyclics and endocyclics conjugated double bonds. Exo, the double bonds exiting out, but for the case of endocyclics, the double bonds is inside the rings. Now we have the more concept like here. If I just close this B, we have exocyclics, this one, like this one. But for this one of A, each case A and B, if I close B, we have exo, also if I close also A, we have exo to B, so it contains two exocyclic Woodwards, and this is used to calculate the maximum wavelength. Here are some examples. Let us start with example number 1. This one, calculate the absorption maximum in the following compound. This one. Now we have the something we call parental value or base value. The base value we have here. This is the table which show the base value of different compounds, like parental value for butadienes, alicyclics, homoannual, heteroannual, different values. So you have to memorize this one, or sometimes you can be given in the table. Now let's solve many questions here. This one. So we have here, this is alicyclics. So the parental value is this one. It is in the table. We have the alkyl group here, which are 2. So you will just sum to get the value. But what to note here, alicyclics, there are 1, 2. This is alkyl group, there are 2. We will times by 5 because that 5 we have in the table there. Example 2, this one. This is our compound. In our compound here, this is alicyclics, open structure, because here we don't have any double bonds inside. So we will obtain the values here. Let's start. We have how many alkyl group? We have 1, 2. So there are 2 times 5. Also we have residual rings. Residual rings we count inside near the conjugated. So we have 1, 2. There are 2. Then we times 5. We have also the bond which is getting out, this one, which is we call exocyclics. So it is 1. So base value, this is alicyclics. So this is the data you sum to get absorption maximum. Let's move to example number 3. In example number 3, this compound is heteroannular. Why? Because the double bonds occur in different rings. So its base value is this one, base value or parental value, but also ring residue. Ring residue, we count where the, for example here, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4. We will times by 5. This 5 is from the table. So sometimes we can take this one, where this one conjugated. So we have it cuts here, 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 and here. So there are 4. So you obtain the absorption maximum. This is example number 4. In example number 4, how to calculate the maximum absorptions. First, this compound, our compound is homoannual because the double bonds occur in the same rings. So we know the base value, this one, base value for ring residue. How to obtain ring residue? We will count area of conjugation. 1, then we have also 2 here, then here, 3, there are 3. 1, 2, 3. There are 3. So 3 times 5. Then after there, sum to obtain the data. Example number 5. In example number 5, let's consider this our compound. This our compound is heteroannular because the double bonds occur in different rings. So we have the base value, this one. It is given in the table. Ring residual, how to obtain the ring residual? We will count area of conjugation. We have 1, we have also 2, we have 3. So there are 3. You can just draw a diagram here to show where these rings cuts. So there are 3 times 5. Then exocycles, how many exocycles? If I close here, I have 1 exocycles here. So it is 1 times 5, this one, to obtain the maximum absorption. In example number 6, consider this compound. In this compound, it is homodiene because here we have double bonds occur in each bond. So we have here, we have also here. Now, so our our basic value is homodiene. This one, it is called basic value or parental value. Now let's consider in this compound we have how many ring residual? Ring residual, we count just, we have 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5. You can go here. There are 5. Then times 5 exocycles. How many exocycles do we have here? We have only 1 exocycles. This one. If I close this one, 1 exocycles. But we have extended group. How to get extended group? First of all, we consider the homoannular. If I close just here, 1, 2 double bonds. Then if I close extended is 1, 2. Also if I close here, 1, 2. So extended, we will take, this is homo, then we count just the remaining one, 1, 2. So the extended group is 2, this one, 2 double extended, we times by 30. Example number 7, this is example number 7. It is resembled to example number 6 here. This our compound is homoannular, but here in homoannular, how many ring residual? Ring, to obtain the ring residual, as I show you, you start here 1, conjugate 1, then you have 2, 3, 4. There are 4. Then 4 times 5, this one. Exocyclics, if I close here, this is the one exiting out. So we have 1, another, we have also this one. So there are 2, this one. If I close this one. So there are 2. Then after, how to obtain the extended, just close. This is 1, 2. The remaining is 1. So it's 1 only. Then sum to get the answer. Now I can show you how to obtain the extended. To obtain the extended, just count the two double bonds. For example here, 1, 2. Then the remaining is this one double bond. So 1 extended. Here, 1, 2 extended, 1, 2, 3. So 3 extended. So you just count the 2 double bonds. Then after there, you will take the extended one. This is the last example. Here, in this compound, this is not homo or hetero. So this is alicyclics, butadienes. So we know it is value is this one. Ring residual, how many ring residual here? We count 1, 2. This one, there are only 2. Where it is conjugation or double bonds. Exocyclics, how many exocyclics? The group which are exiting out, there are 2 only, this one. Then after we have this, we call bicyclics, which is 1 bicyclics. Then after, you can observe, this is the more example that I have prepared for you. You can read and understand more, this one. You can pass and you can read because I have solved A, B, C, D, and E. Thank you very much guys for visiting my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.